Hi, Alicia. Hi, Piggy. Wow, what a day. This is a really snowy day, and I have a feeling Mistress Mouse is feeling a little frustrated being stuck at home. I don't know if you feel that way ever, but let's just check in with her because I need to check in on my friends and make sure that they're okay, on a day like this. Not only quarantine, but snow too. Mistress Mouse, Mistress Mouse, are you in your little house? And we'll just see if hello everybody. Oh, well, hi, Mistress Mouse. What are you doing down there? I've been working in the kitchen. Oh, so you've been in the kitchen? Oh yeah, that's what I do when I'm stressed. When you're stressed, you work in the kitchen? I bake. You bake? Okay, Mistress Mouse, I honestly did not know that about you. I mean, I know you like to eat. Yeah, but I like to bake too. Well, can you show us what kind of stuff you were doing today? Okay, just a minute, I'll show you my cookbook. Oh, okay, she's got her very special cookbook. This is amazing. I didn't know she had this. But here you go, you can see my cookbook. Oh yeah, it says cooking at home with mice. That's awesome. Yeah, and I made a very special cake. Mistress Mouse, a very special cake. Do you mind just showing it to me? I don't want to share it. But you don't necessarily have to share it, but could you just show it? And Piggy would like to see. I wish I could share it with Piggy. Piggy would like it, but we can't share food right now. But you can show it to her. Then maybe she could imagine what it tastes like. She could imagine what it tastes like. Okay, just a minute. Oh my goodness. So she's been busy making stuff in her kitchen. And hey Piggy, you get to see what she made. Here you go, but be careful, okay? Oh my goodness, look at that. She made a little cake. Well, I see you've already kind of tasted it. Yeah, and it's super good. Wow, is it chocolate cake? With a cherry on top. With the cherry on top. Miss Piggy, I wish you could have a piece. Miss Piggy, I do wish you could have a piece too. But here, put that back in your refrigerator or wherever. We don't want it to get all, messed up. Hey, wait, Mistress Mouse? Yeah? Mistress Mouse, Miss Piggy has another guess for you. Oh, that's right. I've been thinking about it. I think the egg you had is in the kitchen. Tag, you're it. Tag, you're it, Piggy.